Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Java. Today we'll concentrate on structure of Java program. So how to write one Java program that we can see. Structure of Java structure. So what are the steps we need to follow that we can see here. So first of all, if we want to write any Java program, the first step is to write package. What I will discuss each detail. So package statement is the first line for a Java program, which follows by semicolon. Here in Java, every line end of the every end of the statement we should write with semicolon. Then after that, import packages, package name followed by import any supported packages. I'll write without space only, import statements. So here you should import some statements. What type of statements that we can discuss? Statements. Then class. Here we should create a class, something class name. I'm writing this class name. So class name. So it starts from here. This is with the braces. Then in this you should write variables, then methods, then now it followed by main class, that is public static void main. So public static void main, here string args. I'll explain each and every here. Then it follows here statements. What are the statements you want to write? So both this brace is closing for public static void main. This is for this, and one more is required to close the main class. This is closed for the main class. So this both we can close here, this like this. Then here specifying the, first we'll start from the package. Specifying the package statement in Java is optional. So package name is optional. It's not always, it's a mandatory. We can use as a optional. A Java program can contain at most one package statement. The package statement should be first executable statement in program. So program also start from the execution from here. So that is the first most line that is in a package. So but it's an optional, but if it is contained, at least it should contain one package. Then specifying import statement. What is this specifying import statement? Specifying the import statement in Java is it's optional. The Java program can contain any number of import statements. The import statement should be specified after package statement and before the class. This always should be after package and before class. Its number of depends on your program. Its number of, how that number of we'll see in our coming sessions. Then Java program can contain any number of classes, and every class can contain variables, methods. So each one program we can have multiple classes, maybe one class or multiple classes, but each class should contain variables and methods, which are together called as a member of the class. The both together we call as a member of class. A class can contain any number of members. So any number of methods means multiple variables and multiple methods it should contain. So that we can say this is this. And the next execution of Java program is done by JVM. This already we discussed. And it begins from main method, that is public static void main. Here it's begin from here. So main method whose syntax must follows as this. So here this has some meaningful that I'll show you here. First is the public. This public we can say as access specifier. Access specifier. Access specifier. This is we call as access specifier. And where static. Static we can say as modifier. Static we can say as modifier. And void. Void we can say as return type. Void we can say as return type. Then main we can say as the method name. This is method name. And the last, this one, string. These are the parameters. String GS. This is the parameters. Parameter. This is, we can say this. Public means yes. Access specifier, static means modifier, void as a return type, main is the method name, string args is a parameter. So the main method can contain any number of statements and each must terminated by semicolon. So any number of it can contain any number of methods, but each should be terminated by the semicolon. Just already I told each end of the line should close by the semicolon. A Java program can contain any number of comments and they can be specified anywhere in the program. The comments are the non-executable. So in this, where we can write some hints and all that you can write as an comments. So how comments we can write, that we will see in the next video. But here we can say any number of comments also you can write. So this is the way you will write this Java program. So Java program contains package name, then it follows imports, follow the class. Within a class we have variables and methods. So again it starts from after this, it can be main method. So here each class can contain any number of variables and methods, but this together we can say as a member of class. So each here main class has the meaningful, that is access specifier, static is a modifier, void is a return type, main is method name, string args is a parameter. So these all are the parameters. So thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates.